Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Sai Vaishnavi BN, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Subject is CAD and today's topic is about solids. The given question is a square prism 30 sides of base and 65 axis length rests on HP on one of its edges of the base which is inclined to VP at 35 degree. Draw the projections of the prisms when the axis is inclined to HP at 50 degree. First go to line, select line, then select 0.25 mm because always the XY line should be 0.25 mm and draw a straight line. Then go to text, then you can name it as X, here as Y, and above XY line it is always VP and below XY line it is always HP, vertical plane and horizontal plane. Now go to rectangle, select, enter the width as 30 press enter, then height as 30 press enter, and you'll get a square. Then go to select option, select this entire square, and then click on 0.50 mm. Now go to line, select line, then 0.13 mm, and to know the midpoint of the square, draw the diagonals to the given square. You can extend this line till XY line. Then go to text. Here you can name it as A into A1, and here you can name it as B into B1. Here you can name it as C into C1, and here you can name it as D into D1, and at center you can name it as O into O1. Now as per the question, you need to draw the 65 axis length. So go to line, select line, then select 0.50 and draw 65 axis length. Now enter 65 press enter, then 90 degree, press enter, then you'll get a 65 axis length. Extend all the lines. Since they have mentioned axis, we should consider the center line as axis line. Therefore, go to select option, select this line and make it as axis. Now go to smart dimension, measure this axis line. It is 65 and this is 30 Now go to text. You can name it as B1 dash into A1 dash. Here you can name it as C1 dash into D1 dash, and above you can name it as C dash into D dash, and here you can name it as B dash into A dash, and above you can name it as O dash. Now go to select option, select this entire one and go to move option. Make sure that this option is on for copy paste, and then click at any one point and move it. Since they have mentioned that it is inclined to HP at 50 degree, we need to subtract 90 minus 50, therefore we get 40, and this is inclined at an angle of 40 degree. Therefore go to select option, select this entire one, then go to rotate option, click on one point, drag till the top point and rotate, give 40, press enter, then go to extend to next option, click on this line and it is extended, then go to angle between and measure this angle, we get 50 degree. Now go to line, select 0.13 because projection lines will always be 0.13 mm, therefore you can extend all the lines. Now extend these lines also, A and D, it is extended till here, whereas B and C, it is extended till here, whereas center point O is extended till this line. This point you can mark it as this, you can mark it as A1, this one as B1, this you can mark it as C1, this you can mark it as D1, this you can mark it as O1, and here you can mark it as A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is O, and now you can join all these points using 0.50 mm. Therefore go to line, select 0.50 mm and connect all the points A to B, B to C. Now go to select option, press Ctrl and select the line and change it to axis. Then go to select option. Why this is central axis? Because here this point is invisible, so the points connected to C are marked as central line. Therefore next go to line, give angle as 35 degree minus 35 because it is below XY line, press enter, then go to angle between and measure this angle. You can go to trim option and trim this unwanted lines. Then go to select option, select this and go to move option, make sure this one is on and select any one point and place it here. Then select this, go to rotate option, click on one point, drag it till the bottom point and rotate until it is placed perfectly on the line. Now go to line, Select 0.13 mm and extend all the lines. Then extend these lines. This is extended. Now mark the points A1. Here you can mark it as A1 dash, A1 dash, whereas here you can mark it as B1 dash, here you can mark it as C1 dash, and here you can mark it as D1 dash. And next you can mark here A is in this line, and therefore here you get A dash, it is in this line, and from here therefore we get A dash here, and D dash here, and here we get C dash, therefore B we get here. Now join all the points by using 0.50 mm. Go to line, select 0.50 mm and connect all these points A to B, select line 0.50 mm, connect A to B, B to C, C to C to D, D to A. Then connect all these points A to B, A to B, B to C, C to D and D to A. Now join A and A dash, A to A, then B to B, then C to C, at last D to D dash. Now go to select option, press Ctrl, select this line and this line, make it as axis, then go to line, select 0.13 mm and you can extend this central axis also till here. It is extended till here, and this central axis also you can extend till here. Now you can extend from here to here, and this line from here to here, and now you can join these both points. Go to select option, select this line and make it as central axis. Now go to trim all these unwanted lines. I hope you understood this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.